In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can split your screen on Chromebook, and basically this allows you to see multiple apps at once, and this is very useful for multitasking. So I'm going to open Google Chrome, and I will also open the settings menu, and I want to see these two pages at once. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click or hover the cursor above this area, and I can choose the split option. So basically this is where you want to put the app into the screen. So you can select the left or right section, and for this one I'm going to select the right section for the setting page, and the left will be for the Google Chrome browser. And there you go. Now these two apps are splitted and I can see both of them at the same time. And of course you have the option to adjust the size of each window, and this is very easy to customize. Just click and then drag. And also if you actually hover above that area again, you have the option to go to the full mode or even the partial mode, which is very similar that I have shown you earlier, but this time around it's gonna be very specific. It's a predetermined area or predetermined size. And also you might have noticed there is a float option. So this is actually very interesting because this allows you to see the app while the other app can stay full screen, but this will stay here and it's going to stick. So basically even if you interact with this setting with the Google Chrome, for example, this window will still open. And I think it's very useful if you are working with a multiple apps, but you still want to see the mini version of the app, and I think that mode is very useful. So that's basically how you can do it, and I hope you find this tutorial video to be helpful.